You want
oh, this way.
Back up?
This way. Yeah, we'll have to like all walk by.
Oh, that's so cool.
Oh, once they're on YouTube?
Yeah.
You know, 8 minutes or so.
Do you narrate them?
Sometimes, yeah. A lot of times I just talk to the camera. Let's do a little walk by.
Yeah.
We gotta film quite a bit.
Be real.
Yeah.
Here we go.
We're back natural.
Crying, we'll get footage of me just like
Take a big rip out of your gummy bear.
You know,
savagery.
what we need to do to survive out here.
We're about to Willow Lake. Tons of good switchbacks on the way up. That's Crestone down there. Big old rock wall. I say about 2 to 3 liters to get to the Willow Lake, but there are a couple good water sources along the way for you to fill up, which is nice. Plenty of good water. Challenger and Kit Carson. So from the campsites, we're gonna come up this little kind of gully. You'll find this sign, Challenger and Kit Carson to the left. The lake, of course, is right there. And just head on that way. You'll follow the lake around and take you to the backside. And here's the waterfall coming off Willow Lake. This is the last thing I want to show you before I go to bed. Just in time, because that rain's about to fall. What's the description say?
It just says follow the obvious trail.
Oh, trail.
Which is the biggest sandbag anyone's ever said. Follow the obvious approach trail.
This is the rib we think we gotta get on the other side, and then we'll hook around to the right of it and go up. Whew. Okay guys, a little update here. We have just walked the ridge up, hugging it pretty closely. Took a little nap on this rock. And I think we're just gonna keep following the rib up and probably slip around that side and take the ridge. Okay, so we're kind of at this point where you need to leave that rib you've been hugging the whole time, because we followed it up there. You just get cliffed out. That's the wrong way. So we had to down climb, do a little small traverse, and I think that's the way up. Kyle, we are leaving Challenger. Making our way down the saddle to the start of the avenue and up to the prow. All right, guys, we're in the avenue. Making our way to the prow.
Can you even see like anything about them?
I don't want to take a photo of him,
So I think there's a way to go like the traverse. You can go up to Columbia, and then that point, and then the furthest point right there is Humboldt. Then you drop down. Yeah, that's the peak right there in the distance. The very furthest one is Humboldt. I think what we're gonna do is we're gonna continue walking down here. And I think this guy's our split rib. And we'll get there, and then we'll head up. At least that's the plan. Okay, so we're down at the broken rib. There's a cairn right here. And a pretty good looking trough.
I do.
No, are you kidding me?
You don't have the hips for it.
Legendary.
I do. Watch. 0 chance.
Oh, my back. I need someone to come help me.